Previously, I've shown you how you can use layouts as configurations of pods within a meeting to make it so that your meeting has structure and flow. And that's great because you can set them up ahead of time, and then when you need to change layouts or your configuration of pods, all you need to do is select from your Layouts menu the configuration that you're looking for. That's handy because it means that you don't have to think about it when you want to move from section to section of your meeting. Well, it turns out that you can do a very similar thing among meetings. What I want to do is I want to create a series of meetings that work and look exactly like this one. And to do that, I need to build a template. The good news is that a template inside Connect is nothing but a meeting. So the first step to creating a template is to set up a meeting the way that you want your meeting to work. So in this case, I've already got some layouts set up, but I'm going to finish this introductory layout by first hiding this particular pod. And I'll use the attendee list pod, and we'll put it over here on the left-hand side. So this is my introductory layout. I've got other layouts. To build a template from this, I'm going to use the Connect portal that I used to create this meeting in the first place. And I'll even show you a shortcut for getting there. Under the Meeting menu, I'm going to select Manage Meeting Information. And what that will do is it will pop your browser open and take you right to the meeting information for this particular meeting. Now, the first step that I'm going to take for this is that I'm going to rename this meeting something meaningful. We'll select Edit Information. And because this is going to become a template for all of my training meetings, I'm going to name this Training. And then I can adjust any of these settings that I want to. For my purposes, I'm just going to adjust the name of the meeting. So we'll go ahead and click Save. I do need to point out that this is not going to change the URL. The URL is something that is static and really can't be changed after the fact. If I wanted to create a new meeting that had a URL /training, well, then I could just go ahead and create a new meeting. But I don't need to because I've already set this up and it's good to go. Now, I'm going to return to my meetings list. And you can see that I have several different meetings here, including my training meeting. That's the meeting that used to be called Tim's First Meeting. This folder here called My Templates was created by Connect. I didn't build that. And this is the folder that's designed to hold your templates. So to create a template from a meeting, all we're going to do is move it into that folder. Checkmark Training. I'll click on Move. And then to put it into my templates, I'm going to select it, click on the Move button, confirm it, and the meeting will seem to have disappeared from my meetings list. All that means is that it actually got put into this folder, and if I click on this folder, you can see that I have a new template in there. I can create as many meeting templates as I need for my purposes and put them in there. I'm going to go back up one level because now what I want to do is use the training template that I just created to build a new meeting from it. To do that, I'll click New Meeting, give the meeting a name, Product Training, we'll give it a URL, and then configure it any way that I like, except to use the template that I just built, what I'm going to do is select from among my templates, My Templates Training. Training is the name of the template. My Templates is the folder that it went into. We'll finish the process. And then just to show you, I'll click on the URL. It will take me into that meeting. And you can see that the meeting looks exactly like the training template, except that this is the product training meeting. It does have the 4 layouts that I've created. It does have the 3 pods in that first layout that I've created. So in every way, the new meeting matches exactly the training meeting. Now, of course, I may want to adjust it from here to tweak it a little bit, but building a template is a very effective way of creating a new meeting based on a meeting I've created previously.